Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Really, this is part 3, but I'm not going to call it that because this is cut order. For the one I'm doing it for, this cut order on this particular project would be more important than any cut order I've ever probably done. I'm going to take away what the board is going to be, so it's not a factor. But if we select it all, or don't have to select it all, but we're going to go to Dockers and Objects, you see the curve on the bottom, and which is, and you can, since it's selected, you can make it black. So it's going to cut that first. That's a no-no. You need to cut that last. So the pieces will, I mean, if you cut this first, the whole piece could fall down. You know, if you've got a little bit of warp on your laser bed, or the wood's warped a little bit, you've got something holding it down. So all you have, and normally this would probably still be grouped together, but I've already taken the contour apart. But all you have to do is, you can see your curve, and if we delete that, that's what you're deleting. So that's all one piece because it's all welded together. So all you have to do to move this, I don't know if this is true with all lasers, but I bet it is. But on an epilogue laser, it's going to cut from the bottom top. So just take that, grab it with your left mouse button clicked and put it up there. So now it's going to cut all these interior pieces before it cuts that out piece. So these, you know, the wood could be warped, but it's all staying together until you cut out that last piece on the outside. Because, I mean, this piece is, well, be honest with you, I don't know how big he's going to make it, but that's 33 inches. That's a lot of wood, and if you have a little bit of warp in your wood and it falls down, it probably would still cut it, but some of your 1/4 inch gaps might not be a 1/4 inch anymore. And, you know, the focus of the beam of the laser is not going to cut as good, or it's going to char the wood more. And just one other word of warning, I would keep all these pieces and pick them up with blue tape, turn them over, and sand this with the pieces in there so these fragile pieces wouldn't break. And then sand one side, tape that side, and turn it over and take that tape off and sand it from there. Anyway, I hope that will help a little bit. Thank you for watching.